through the call centers. We are giving awareness to our members to wearing the mask, keeping social distance, and also practicing the personal hygienic and how to get the government entertainment. 68,000 of the masks are stitched in the lockdown period. Livelihood is more affected in the lockdown period. Hi friends, good morning to all. I am Rajalakshmi, working as a regional coordinator of Madurai Rural Region. In our region, we are having 14 blocks and covering up 36,000 members. All the members are agricultural laborers and also daily wage laborers. Now I have shared about the working experience of what are the activities we have done in the COVID-19 and also what is the plan for next coming months. We are giving more focus given further in the lockdown period, creating awareness to our members. We are initiated the 4 call centers. Through the call centers, we are giving awareness to our members to wearing the mask, keeping social distance, and also practicing the personal hygienic and how to get the government entertainment. This is also very enthusiasm given to our members. And also we are in our region, we are celebrated the World Health Day. In the World Health Day, we are conducting the competition to our members, essay writing and also drawing competition. This is also giving motivation to our member students. And also our members are also took the oath in the World Health Day. In the lockdown period, our members are faced more problem to getting the grocery kits. For this, we are with the help of the KTL, we are giving 3,518 KTL kits to our members through our Sole Vatara Kalanjiyam Farmer Producer Organization. It is giving good turnover to our FEO. And also in our Vaigai Vatara Kalanjiyam, we are having one of the garments. In this garments, 100 members are working. In the lockdown period, it is not worked. With the help of our institution and also we are getting the permission from the district collector, we are reopen our garments and 68,000 of the masks are stitched in the lockdown period and it was given to the public. And also our members are faced more problem to meet out the basic needs of consumption purpose. For this, for address the issue, we are giving the 5,000 loan to each member to the 2 crores 59 lakhs from the banks loan and also CC withdrawal. It is also more useful to our members. In this period, for building the immunity building to the members, we are giving the 22,000 Kabasura Kudineer packet to our members. It is each packet is 50 gram packets to each family we are given, and also we are giving the 5,000 arsenic album tablet also we are given to the members for building the immunity building to the members. And also with the help of the Sugam, we are already having the 2 clinic one in Kotamati Pengal Vatara Kalanjiyam, another one in Gangai Vatara Kalanjiyam. The lockdown period, we are reopened our clinic, and also it was very useful to the public with less cost treatment. And also we are in lockdown period, our Federation EC leaders and cluster EC leaders collaborated with the local panchayat. Then they are giving the support to our members, getting the local entertainments. In the next plan of livelihood is more affected in the lockdown period. So we are focusing, given the livelihood loan to our member for strengthening the existing livelihood, for getting the loan from the bank, and also given the 53,000 masks to all the family members, and also continues the creating the awareness through our call centers. Thank you.